Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get ethereal cornbread. Let's start by gathering the right ingredients for that perfect, light texture. Fine ground cornmeal is key for a delicate crumb. Buttermilk provides a lovely tang and moisture, working with baking soda and powder for a beautiful rise. And of course, melted butter adds that irresistible rich flavor and tenderness we all love. Next, let's talk about mixing. First, whisk your dry ingredients together well. Then, in a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients. When you bring them together, mix gently until just combined. Overmixing can develop gluten, leading to a tough cornbread, so a few lumps are actually a good sign of a tender result. This careful approach ensures a light and airy texture. Now for baking, a crucial step for that golden crust. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with your cast iron skillet inside. Once hot, carefully add about 1 tablespoon of melted butter to the skillet. It should sizzle. Pour in your batter and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown crust and a center that feels firm to the touch. Finally, to achieve that truly ethereal quality, avoid overbaking. Remove your cornbread from the oven as soon as it's done to prevent it from drying out. Let it cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This brief rest improves both flavor and texture. Serve it warm with a pat of butter or a drizzle of honey and savor that wonderfully light, moist, and tender cornbread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.